Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we bring you the latest, boldest, and most jaw-dropping machines on wheels. And today, buckle up because you won't believe how luxurious the 2026 Kenworth T2000 really is. From the very first glance, this truck doesn't just look powerful, it looks like it came straight out of the future. Sleek aerodynamic lines, futuristic lighting, and a commanding presence on the road make the T2000 stand out like nothing else in its class. But wait until you step inside because that's where the real magic happens. The cabin feels less like a truck and more like a rolling luxury suite. Soft-touch premium materials everywhere, ultra-wide digital displays wrapping around the driver, and the latest AI-powered smart assistant system make driving easier, safer, and smoother than ever before. It's like sitting in the cockpit of a private jet. Comfort is on another level. The seats are fully adjustable with memory foam, cooling, heating, and even built-in massage functions. Long haul, no problem. This truck makes sure fatigue never slows you down. And when you step into the sleeper area, get ready, it feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. A queen-size smart bed, mood lighting, climate control, a 4K entertainment system, and yes, even a mini kitchen setup with microwave and fridge. For many truckers, this isn't just a vehicle, it's home, and it doesn't stop at comfort. Kenworth has packed the 2026 T2000 with cutting-edge safety and performance. Adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, automatic braking, and even semi-autonomous driving support. It's all here. Under the hood, the powertrain is a beast yet efficient, delivering smooth acceleration with remarkable fuel economy, thanks to advanced hybrid technology. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 isn't just a truck, it's a lifestyle upgrade. A statement of power, comfort, and the future of trucking. Once you see inside, you'll understand why people are calling it the most luxurious rig ever built. So what do you think? Would you call this a truck? Or would you call it a luxury mansion on wheels? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest reviews here on Auto Plus, my channel for everything bold, powerful, and futuristic on the road.